it's me, Universe and
Star.
And we have a really tragic story to tell you guys.
Much tragedy. Broke my phone. I don't think you can see it, but yeah. She broke it.
In many pieces.
She's an idiot.
We decided to make a replay or something about that where I show you how it all actually happened.
Because she's an idiot.
First I can tell like the story, what happened, and then afterward we will show you a clip of what happened. You want to tell it or shall I tell it?
You shall tell it.
Es and I were on our way back from the library, on the school library, and she was walking on the phone in the hallway when I was like, backpack activate, and jumped off the back. Little did I know that she had her iPhone in her hands like this and her headphones plugged in. So when I jump up on her sideways, I hit the headphone.
She actually hits my elbow, so
It's
like
her iPhone, and it flies out of the headphone plugger and down on the freaking hallway.
like this, opens like a little butterfly and just like lands like this and slides across. And the funny thing is that the whole hallway became quiet.
Silent, like
Silent. It was like they all looked at it, they panicked and were like, is it okay?
And this guy called Christopher.
Yeah, he picked it up and he's like, I hope it was like this before. I was like, you broke it.
Yeah. And I was like, oh my god, I feel really bad.
And I was like, you broke it. And I just started smiling and was like, you broke it.
And it was like,
you broke it.
We've been having this conversation before about when would it break, because she drops it a lot.
I dropped this so much, like I've dropped it down the stairs and my god, it's a long way.
One time she was running towards me after my bike, and then we heard like a little. We both went silent, and we turned around and her phone was on the street.
And it didn't do shit, but as long as it's just like backpack activated, it's like whoosh, and then it just breaks.
Backpack activated, don't try it at home, bro. And we've been having these very weird things where every time it would land like this or inside the cover, it wouldn't happen, but if it landed like this, it wouldn't happen, something wouldn't happen either. But this one time, my backpack activating, sorry, what was I about to say? I forgot everything right now.
Yeah, but she was like backpack activated, and I was like all in my hand, and it's fucking Universe.
Let's just say that Universe and Star is
fucking idiot.
clumsy and idiots.
And this is usually just like shit happens, right?
Normal everyday
like,
for us,
shit
like
happens,
backpack
like,
activate, dragon
sometimes
shit.
like she claps on my shoulders and she's like, we'll do this shit.
We're
now.
walking around the
She's
hallway like
we're actually
we're the human centipede. And
like I don't have my face up her ass or anything.
oh, you have.
I'm just
Yeah, but long story short, I broke her phone.
yeah.
Sad when I break things, man.
It's sad.
I'm actually pretty thankful that she didn't kill me. Like before I had my iPhone 5C, I had a iPhone 4, yeah.
Yeah, and I had an iPhone 3, the most slowpoke little shit in the world. You should never get one.
But I was sitting in 7th grade with an 8th grade now, and my phone was broken. I dropped it at...
No, it was 6th grade.
No,
no, 6th.
No, I dropped it. First, I broke it in 6th grade, and then I dropped it in. Then I broke it in 7th grade.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
No, because there must be some things behind, like you should yeah, those pretty what? No, yeah, we have, the teacher said, oh no, in 7th grade we didn't have those. We had it in 6th grade. In 6th grade I did. Yeah, no, it was in 6th grade. I don't know.
Okay.
It broke.
Yeah.
And then I got this background where it says it's broken. I'm broken. Oh, you see much better now, right? I'm very lucky because this camera didn't break and I take a lot of selfies because I'm a selfish little whore.
Yeah.
So.
But again, long story short, I broke her phone. We both broke each other's phone once.
Yeah.
She broke my 4th, I broke her 5th. So I guess it's bad karma for that time, but it's bad karma for me. Also.
Like, listen, sometimes, right?
Sometimes
shit happens.
Shit happens, bro.
Shit happens.
And I'm just having with bros. And
Because if it weren't bros, I would have fucking killed her. I would have laid her down. I was surprised by myself that I didn't lay her down, tried to strangle her, taking her life. Like,
Just
It was at this moment Victoria realized she fucked up.
Oh, fuck.
Sorry for the bad quality. We're filming on the computers. What it's called, webcam. Just to let you know, guys know that's our whole rewind back in time, replay shitty things we did, and yeah. Hope you enjoyed. And here is some
Outtakes that we didn't want to show.
or a single one.
Yeah, because it's really fucking fucked up.
And it's worth it. We slowed it down even for you guys to enjoy it even more. If you know what I mean. Now, thanks for watching, and see you in our next video. Bye, Spaceys. Bye, Star.
Normalt skrige sådan som...
Jeg filmer allerede din
Normalt skrige sådan...